latest version of the Touch Bar equipped 13-inch MacBook Pro, $1,799, $1,999 as tested, is virtually unchanged on the outside, but brings Intel's latest processors and a graphics upgrade this time around. If you're okay with the shallow keyboard and USB-C only connectivity, the Kaby Lake CPU upgrade makes the new 13-inch MacBook Pro even more compelling, and it continues to be one of the best ultra-portable laptops you can buy. Ultimately, however, you can get similar specs for a lot less cash with our editor's choice, the non-Touch Bar 13-inch MacBook Pro. This laptop takes its design cues from the 12-inch MacBook, which was the first Apple portable to go all in on USB-C and transition to butterfly switches for its keyboard. Besides a less comfortable typing experience, the result is likely a need to purchase adapters for your phone, monitor, external hard drive, and other peripherals that don't support USB-C. That includes Apple's own iPhone 7, which still comes with a Lightning to USB cable. The entirety of the MacBook Pro's input/output options amount to 4 USB-C connectors and an input/output audio jack. Since more and more devices are migrating to USB-C, though, the lack of other ports will be less of an issue if you plan to upgrade your peripherals. Meanwhile, the keyboard might require a more drastic adjustment. Apple says the butterfly style of its switches are more stable than the conventional laptop key switches, which resemble scissors. The result is very shallow key travel. In testing, it took me several pages of typing to become accustomed to the keyboard, which feels more like pecking away on a tablet or phone screen than typing on a laptop. The experience was tolerable, not necessarily enjoyable, but the keyboard, which is also backlit, will likely meet with your instant approval if you learn to type on a smartphone rather than a PC.